AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge was sworn in as a member of the Rajya Sabha on June 29th after being re-elected to the upper house from Karnataka, reaffirming his commitment to raise the concerns of the people and hold the government accountable as the leader of the opposition. The oath was administered by Vice President of India and Rajya Sabha Chairman C.P. Radhakrishnan in his chamber at Parliament House. Kharge took the oath while holding a copy of the Constitution. Congratulating Kharge after the ceremony, Vice President Radhakrishnan welcomed him to the Rajya Sabha and said the upper house would continue to benefit from his extensive parliamentary experience. Senior Congress leaders including Congress Parliamentary Party Chairperson Sonia Gandhi and Wayanad MP Priyanka Gandhi attended the ceremony. Kiran Rijiju and Arjun Ram Meghwal along with Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman Harivansh were also present. The Vice President's office later confirmed the oath-taking in a post on social media platform X, stating that Kharge had taken the oath as a re-elected member of the Council of States from Karnataka and shared photographs of the ceremony. In a separate post on X, Kharge described taking the oath once again as a privilege and said it was a matter of immense pride and responsibility to continue serving the Rajya Sabha as the leader of the opposition. He thanked Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan and Deputy Chairman Harivansh for their continued support. Kharge also expressed gratitude to Congress Parliamentary Party Chairperson Sonia Gandhi, leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi, Congress MPs, party workers and supporters for their unwavering faith and encouragement throughout his parliamentary career. He further thanked the floor leaders of various political parties, particularly members of the India bloc and the wider opposition for their cooperation. Kharge said he's looking forward to stronger coordination during the upcoming Monsoon Session of Parliament to ensure greater accountability from the government. Reaffirming his commitment to Parliament, Kharge said he would continue to raise the concerns, aspirations and voices of the people with sincerity, conviction and determination, adding that this remained his foremost responsibility. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.